Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about the built-in Django admin interface to add data to the database. Django comes with a brilliant admin interface. This can be used to add, edit, delete and view all of the data connected to our project. We can also add custom features and similar. Let's say that we wanted to add a few tasks. We can use the shell or we can do this programmatically, but it's not very convenient right now. So let's create a super user and log in. Django comes with an authentication system, and this system has roles and permissions out of the box. So if you create a new user, that user will not automatically have access to the admin interface. We need permissions to do this. So in our case, we're going to create something called a super user. And this is done by running one command. Python 3 manage.py create super user. Hit enter. Then we need a username. I use admin and then an email address and a password. Super user created successfully. Perfect. So now we can try to run the server again. Python 3 manage.py run server. Now we can go to the browser and just copy this address, open up a new tab and go to /admin. Now we will see the login page for the admin interface. So paste in the information you just created. And once you are logged in, you will see that you can see users and groups. And if I click users, you will see the admin admin user I just created. You can change the password, you can set some personal information, and also here you can see what's happening with the permissions and roles. So where is the task model? Even though we registered our app in installed apps and similar, it doesn't automatically appear here in the admin interface. But luckily for us, it's very easy to do so. If we just go back to the editor and find admin.py in the task app. Then we can begin by importing the model we created. So from .models import task. And we can say .models because we are in the same folder as the models.py file. And to register this now, we just say admin.site.register, type in task. So if you go back and refresh now, you can see tasks here. Let's try to create one. Title, my first task, and then this is the description for the first task. And save. So now we know how to add tasks to the database. You can add one more. Second task. Just type some information and save. We can actually do a lot more cool things here, like adding search, filters, and some other cool things. So if we go back to the editor, then below the import here, we can say class task admin. And here we pass in admin.modeladmin. And if we wanted to, for example, show the title here and the date it was created and if it's done or not, then we can say list display equals and create a tuple title created. We don't have created at date, sorry, but we can say is done. So you can show these two fields. If I save now, go back and refresh, nothing happens because we need to pass in the task admin down here with the registration. So if you now save and go back and refresh, you will see here second task, first task, and the status. If I go into this and set this to done, go back, you can see here that we get a check symbol because this is done. And Django automatically handles Boolean fields like this, like the cross or the check. We can also have a little filter here on the side so we can filter which tasks are done and not. So list filter equals is done. Add a comma there, go back and refresh. And we can say filter this by is done, yes, no, or all. Cool. We can also add a simple search by saying search fields. So what fields should we be able to search in here? I think the title and description is good. Go back, and then we have a search at the top here, and I can say first, and we only see the first task. Great. So there are also much more things we can do here. We can add custom actions here. We can customize the look and feel of the admin interface and similar, but that will not be a part of this tutorial. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit like below and subscribe to get more content like this. See you in the next video.